Guys, we've got Tandading in the kitchen today. And if you don't know what Tandading is, keep on watching so that you know how we put this Tandading Tulusay together. In the meantime, let's get started. Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're all having a great time. I'm fine too. Thank you all so much for coming back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I appreciate you all. So today in Fatim Ali's Kitchen, we've got you Tandading in Mandinka, a smoked fish palm oil stew that we're going to cook today. I'm sorry, my wall of watchers, I don't know the name of this Tandading fish here. If you can help me out and put it in the description section below, I will appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much. So all of these ingredients are going in this Tandading palm oil stew, and we are going to make it so delicious today. All right. Okay guys, so now let's just put some lemon on the fish, some lime. Is it lime? Yeah. We're putting some lime over the fish and on these ones as well. Just half, and then I'm gonna put a pinch of salt also on them. Okay. Pot nicely hot. We're going to go on and add our palm oil in. Right. Now let's blend. Garlic goes in with the spring onions and the onions. We start with this one first. Right, that's done. Okay, let's shift that over here. Oil nicely hot, then we fry. We're frying the ingredient that we just blend. Okay, right, so we give it a stir. With the palm oil, you don't leave it to be too hot. As soon as it starts showing some smoke, then you just add your onions in, because once it's too smoky, that's not good. It might catch fire. So we're gonna leave these onions to fry until they are nicely fried before we move on. Okay, the onion is frying. We just give it a stir. Okay. We still need it to fry a bit more. And also we're going to add the bitter tomato in so that they will cook, and the aubergine. Okay. Right. So we add the black pepper in. and the chili powder, the salt, and we mix all of these together. Nice one. Right. I'm going to add some water in. Mix it well again. The cassavas go in. And the fish goes in. Nice one. Then the prawns go in as well. The chilies. And then the Onga shrimp go in as well. Okay, so we're gonna leave all of these to cook. Okay, so I've got 3 halves that I add, and then I'm gonna mix it. And then I'm going to put a lid on and then leave it to cook. Now let's mix our spinach and okra. Okay, that's cooked. So we're going to go on and add some tamarind in. And 2 Maggi cubes. A pinch of salt. And some chili. Then we're going to mix all of these together. Nice. So this is ready now. I'm going to turn the gas off, and then I'm going to put the lid on top of it and leave it on the heat Right. Okay, so that's done. So guys, everything is ready in the kitchen here. As you can see, the palm oil stew is looking so good. And this spinach and okra here, this kuchar is also ready. So we're coming to dish out now. So guys, this is all that we've brought for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. Smoked fish palm oil stew, aka Tandading Tulusay in Fatim Ali's kitchen, and it's smelling amazingly good. I cannot wait to try it. My goodness, it's so lovely. And you're all invited, okay? And yeah, so if you're new to Fatim Ali's kitchen, please subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on contents when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. We wouldn't have gone this far without your lovely support. Okay, so we're gonna enjoy that fish Tulusay before it gets cold, because it's looking yummy already, and you're all invited. Thank you for coming. Until we come on you again soon. Goodbye.